Not me making a mess while doing my makeup. Oh, that's so pretty! I don't even know why I tried. Like, I just want to take and go. Ah, who is she? Who is she? We don't know her. 2021. It's 2021. It's 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good one for you. I'm so excited about this look. I never ever do cool tone looks, but I figured New Year's Eve is the time to do a cool tone look. So that's what we did. We did this look right here and it is just so freaking pretty. Like, I am obsessed with it, literally obsessed. How many times can I say I'm literally obsessed with this look? If you want to ring in the new year looking cute AF and you want this look, I'm going to show you how to get it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've been doing this lately a lot. Again, going in with a face wipe. I just love the way it makes my makeup look. Like, it just looks so smooth and just silky and damn near perfection, if I do say so myself. I'm using the Tarte Mattifying Poreless Primer, and this is just, I love this primer. It is so good. Like, I can't ever stop using it. Like, I want to use other primers, but I just can't, okay? I can't cheat on her like that. She's too good. And if I just place mainly in my T-zone, because that's, my whole face is pretty bad, but I just focus it right in the T-zone. And let's not judge my nasty ass looking nails. I know they're so bad, but I just don't care.
I don't freaking care, okay?
Except for when it's like a holiday, I do care. I will fix them before then, but right now I just don't care. Next, going in with the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. This has just been my favorite thing lately. To apply this, I'm gonna use my new favorite. Why do I keep saying my favorite thing for everything?
Because everything's my favorite.
My new makeup eraser sponge. It is so good, and I don't even have to get it damp. That's my favorite thing about this, because I always sit down to do my makeup and then forget to damp my sponge, and I have to get back up, go back into the bathroom and damp my sponge. I just hate doing that. So I love that you don't even have to get this damp for it to work, and it actually works better when it's dry. So love that for me. I've also been applying my foundation to the back of my hand and not directly on my face, because I find I use way less foundation when I do it this way. So I'm not like over caking my face anymore, and I'm also saving product. So it's a win-win.
Oh, cute. I just got foundation in my hair.
Not me making a mess while doing my makeup. For concealer, I'm gonna be going in with an oldie that I have not used in forever. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Warm Tan. This I used to use all the time before I even started my channel, and I really haven't used it since. But I also think I'm gonna go in with a second concealer, because this isn't really brightening, and I do kind of enjoy the brightening under eye. So to add a little brightness, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. And this is way too light for me, so I don't use a whole lot, but I just like it to add some brightness. And then we're gonna take that same sponge and blend her all out. What are your guys' New Year's Eve plans? Like, I feel like a lot of people won't be doing anything because of, you know, the virus that won't be named. But then again, like, I feel like people are gonna be like,
you know, F this year was so bad, I'm sending it out with the bang.
Like, I feel like it's gonna be like 50-50. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any New Year's Eve plans or what you guys plan on doing. I don't think Jared and I have anything planned as of yet, or if we even will. We haven't celebrated New Year's Eve really in like the last 2-3 years. It's been kind of nice that way. New Year's Eve has always been like one of my favorites. I don't know why, but I just love it. Kind of sad that it's not gonna be as big of a thing this year, I don't think, but I guess that's for the best. We're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Stick. This is in the shade Call Me Maple. I have just been loving cream contouring again. I don't know why. I like to take it like right under my lip just to give it like more of a pouty look. And a lot of times I forget to freaking blend that in, so it just looks weird. And then I'm gonna also take this and blend it out with my sponge. This concealer, I took it a little bit higher than what I normally do just to give myself more of a lifted look, but I don't know if I really like that yet. I'm still deciding. Next, to set everything, I'm gonna use my powder I basically use every single time. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. You can't go wrong with this shit, and it's so freaking good. I just can't stop using it, which is so funny because I hated it when I first used it. We're just gonna set everything, okay? And as in everything, I mean all the concealer we put everywhere. Something I literally just started doing yesterday, which I actually really liked, was setting my brows. I don't know, I didn't set it with this, I set it with a brush, so we'll see how this works. But I just really loved how like smoother my eye or my eyebrow pencil glided on there. I'm gonna go in and push this into my skin. I'm gonna kind of let that sit there for a few extra minutes. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two bronzer in the shade Tulum. This is like one of my fave bronzers of all time. It's just so freaking good. And just go over the places where we put the cream bronzer. Just a little bit of this goes such a long way. Like, I always probably overuse bronzer with this, but I don't care. I love bronzer. I love you. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and kind of just like press that extra powder on our face, like into her skin and into our bronzer. And then taking a fluffy brush, this is the Equal Tools full powder brush, and softly going over our beautiful bronzer. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Pro To Go palette and using this shade right here called Chisel. So we're gonna chisel the shit out of our cheeks. And we're just using this shade to contour our cheeks. Contouring is going to give you like more of a shadow-like effect on your face versus just like bronzing your skin like you look like you have been kissed by the sun. I'm gonna use this to contour my nose too. Now for blush, I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle Blush. And I think I'm going to do a mixture of like maybe these two shades right here. And I'm using an Eco Tools, I can't see. It's like a, I don't know what it's like. I don't know. I'm just going to be placing that on my cheek, kind of higher up, I guess. This is like the most colorful blush I've ever used. It's pretty, but I don't know, blush scares me sometimes. Like, I like it, but not into like real pinky blushes, but it's pretty. For highlight, we're going in with the Beauty Creations Cali Glow, and I'm probably just gonna be mixing these two shades right here, and I'm using an Olimar brightening brush. So pretty. Oh, I love that lip shine. Like, I just want to take and go. And then I'm gonna use my finger and mix the two and go on my nose. Oh my god, that's so pretty! Just want to scream. And I also just like to take what's ever left over on my brush, secretly adding more, and put it a little above my eyebrows and my chin, just because I freaking love highlight, okay? Our brows are on, and now we're gonna move into eyes. And I just picked up some of the prettiest palettes I have seen. This is the one I'm gonna be using today. It is the LA Girl Keep It Playful Eye Palette, and this is Downplay. This one is Playmate. It's got some pretty mauves, and the fall, like warm tone ones is called Foreplay.
Ooh.
This, I just think it is so perfect for like a New Year's Eve look. Like, it's just gonna be like very cool tone. I don't do cool tones ever, but I really feel like I want to do a cool tone for New Year's Eve. These were on sale at Ulta, buy two get one free, and they're only $9.99 each, so heck of a deal. And honestly, I had points with my Ulta card and got all three of these for free, so heck of a deal, okay? And I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna create it as I go. Could get interesting. So for a crease shade, I'm gonna take this middle top shade right here. I don't think they have names, no. And I'm just gonna take that shade with a Farrah E35 brush and just put this like above where our natural eye crease is. I've never used any LA Girl products before, which is crazy because they're so affordable. That's looking really pretty, but I'm gonna go in and maybe add a little more just to build the color up. Next, we're gonna go into the shade right beside it and take this color. It's not much of a difference, but we're just gonna focus this in our actual crease. So just a little bit lower than what we placed the other color to really give us a good transition, because I am gonna be using this black shade and I am not a pro with black, okay? Like, I never use it, but we're gonna use it, okay? And if you notice, I'm holding literally at the clear end of my brush this whole time, just because that is how you are gonna blend shadows the best. Looking good, looking promising so far. Next, I'm gonna take a more precise blending brush and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here. Not taking too much because we're just going to be placing it on the outer third of our eye and then blending it out. And you can always add, you can't take away, so starting out with less is best. You can see I'm kind of like blending it out here too, like smoking it out. This is actually turning out really freaking pretty. Oh, I'm actually like in love with this. And now I'm gonna take an even smaller brush. I think I'm gonna be going in with the Luxie 237 blending brush. We're gonna be taking that black shade. I'm starting out with little because black is like the hardest shade to work with, especially if you have no experience with it, which I don't have a lot. So I'm just taking a very little tiny bit and we can always build up. And I'm just gonna be placing it kind of over top of what we just did, except not so far in, I guess. And this isn't even like a really pigmented black, so I feel like if there is a black that you want to experiment with, this would be a really good one because it's not too pigmented. I mean, it's pigmented, it's just not like as pigmented as other ones. And you can see I'm like really pushing it into like my real socket of my eye and just really wiggling that in there. So I want it to come to like about halfway, but not too much beyond that to really define that crease area. And then I am blowing it out as well. I'm gonna take this shade right here with a little smudger brush and placing this like right underneath our brow bone to really like clean that area up. I'm gonna take that same brush and dip into the black shade, like literally on the tip of it. And we're gonna be placing that as close to the lower lash line as possible.
My eyes always water.
Best if you can look up while doing this, so. And next we're gonna take a little guy like this and dipping back into like those two first brown shades we used and go and smudge this out just so it's like not as harsh, and also really just tying all the colors together. Next I'm taking just whatever black eyeliner that I have and placing that in my waterline. Again, it helps if you like look up and do this down. My eyes always water when I do this, so I found looking up and then like going at a down angle really helps my eyes not water. I should say as much because they still water, just not as bad. And I'm also going to do that on my, I'm at lower lash line. I'm also going to do it on my waterline as well.
Oh, I hate doing that.
Next, I think what we're going to do is go in with this color right here. I think we're going to do our whole lid on that. I'm not sure yet, but we'll find out. So let's do that. We're going to try a brush and then spray it and see how that works. Doesn't even hardly look like it's coming up on a brush, so I might just be going in with my finger. Yep, I don't even know why I tried. We're going in with our finger. Oh my Lanta. LA girl, you do not mess around. I just feel like I look like a different person when I do a cool tone look. Like I do really like this, so I just feel like I'm a different person. That is so pretty. And I'm thinking maybe I might take this shade right here, right next to it, and kind of place it like right on the outer of where our first shimmer ends and just blend those two together to fade it into the black. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Ah, who is she? Who is she? We don't know her. She's new here. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I actually think I do want to take this shade and try and place it like on my lower lash line. I've never put a shimmer down there, but we're gonna try. I don't know how to go about this. I think I'm just gonna take that smudger brush again. Hopefully we get some product on the brush. And I don't think we did. I'm just doing the outer corner though.
And inside my eyeball, apparently.
Ow.
I was gonna add a wing with this, but I think this just is a statement on its own. Like, I feel like it looks so good that I don't want to add any wing. So we're leaving it at that. Next, I'm gonna go into the Maneater mascara and just apply a thin layer on my upper lashes. And then I'm gonna throw these Tarte Pro Vegan Lashes in the shade.
They're in the shade.
Eyelashes don't have shades. I'm gonna use the Style Heartbreaker. Okay, these lashes are freaking dramatic, but I love them for this look, like, cause it is a dramatic look. I think it does hide my shimmer when I look straight ahead, just because I have hooded AF eyes, so that's not helping. And then like the lashes themselves are just really dramatic. So we're gonna go in with Wet n Wild Mega Glow mascara for the bottom lashes. And then I wanna do something a little with this e.l.f. glitter. It is in the shade Disco Queen, and I kind of want to like maybe do something with my inner corner lower lash line. So I'm going to be taking a tiny little pencil brush thing and maybe just, I don't know yet. We'll just see what I do. I don't know. Oh my god, that just took it to a whole new level. I don't love that. My eyes are freaking watering, but I love it. Oh my god, that is like so pretty. And it just made the look. Like, it literally just made the look. All right, and then next for our lips, I'm gonna be going in with the Stella Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Biscotti. Hopefully it will look good with this look, which I think it will. Next, I'm gonna spray my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. And fan and dry, because this look ain't going nowhere during our party. Here is the finished look. I am literally obsessed. Literally obsessed. I never thought I could love a cool tone look so much, but I am crazy over this. Like, it's so pretty, and it's literally perfect for New Year's Eve to kick 2020 out and like bring 2021 in. It sounds so perfect. It looks so perfect. Can't go wrong with this New Year's Eve look. Even if you're just sitting on your couch with your boyfriend, with your husband, with your bag of chips, with nobody, like, you will not go wrong with this look. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show me some love and support my channel. It really does help my YouTube channel grow, and I appreciate everybody that does that. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I'll see you next year. Bye! Happy New Year's 2021. It's 2021. It's 2021. It's so hot. If you want to ring in the new year looking cute as F, if you want to ring in the new, God, why can't I talk? It feels like it's freaking 5,000 degrees in here. It's so hot. Not taking a two-lot. It is freaking hot. Okay, we have Brack. All pimples popping out. Cute. What do you want, brother?